is the most wonderful child in the universe. We're out on the, what is the name of the Judith McAuliffe School?
Judith Krista McAuliffe.
Krista McAuliffe, the astronaut.
Krista McAuliffe Elementary. She died in the
Challenger.
Yeah, explosion.
And Shelly here is staring up at the top of the little hill we found. We're going to see if Nikki...
Give her a push. Here she comes. Oh! Okay.
Yay, Nikki!
There's Shelly.
That was good, Nikki. Was that fun? Oh, doggies say kaya.
Here comes Grayson.
Here comes
Get
Grayson.
him, Cody. Get him, Cody.
Boom! All right, you guys only went down one time. I want to see 25 times.
Come on, run back up there. Run back up there. Hustle, 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 hustle. Run, Nikki, run, run, Nikki, run, run, Nikki. Come on, Nikki. Roxy's running faster than you. Get him, Foo, get him, Foo. Come on, Nikki, you can do it.
Think muscle. Think strong.
Muscle. The little red engine that could. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I know I can. I know I can. I know I can. Get him, Cody.
Very good. I don't know if this is coming on camera right, but... Cover this up. Is that a dog doobie?
The dog
Shadoobie.
It's a shadoobie. Doggy shadoobie. The doggy shadoobie.
It's the Unabomber for serious, sure. With
Right.
the,
But
with
respect
the
the star, baby. Respect the star.
Get him, Shelly. Get him, Shelly. Go get him, Shelly. Get him, Shelly.
Everybody.
Get him, Shelly.
I want to see a dog go down. All right, Cody, watch out. Nikki's coming.
Go, Nikki. He'll get out of the way. Gray's doing that so he stands there. Come on, Nick. Uh-oh, here she comes. Look out, Cody.
Don't worry about him. He'll move. Just go. Just go. Have fun.
Trust me, they'll get out of your way.
Oh, you're all shoveled up. Now kick it out from your legs, girl.
Go get him, Foo. Go get him, Foo.
Kick down. Get the snow out of your legs.
I can't.
Too bad it's not a bigger hill.
Shadoobie. Shadoobie means poopy. Whoa, Shelly. That was cool. Did you see her running down?
When I went down, Cody was like, we are gonna get.
Hi.
Cody's like, when I was going down, Cody was like, I'm gonna get hit.
Cody. What's over there, Woody?
Let's go to the tallest place.
It's better once you've already made it.
There's like a bump right there.
Because it's 3:45 and let's see, another 20 minutes before I freeze to death. I got Shelly perfectly. Oh my God, Shelly. Is that funny or what? And then there's Roxy out there. Roxy, jump, baby, jump.
Go get it. Go get it, Roxy. Go get it, Roxy.
18 inches of snow. Germantown, Maryland. Bloomer Australian Shepherd.
I can't turn. Look at him, man.
Choing, choing, choing. He's a
rabbit.
Damn.
He's a big rabbit.
Strong.
Get him, Cody. Uh-oh, you lost your sled.
I thought he was going to jump into it. I thought it was part of the show here.
Get him, Cody. Go, Roxy. Go, Roxy. Go get him, Roxy.
They understand this sled concept. Oh God. Oh.
You like that?
Oh.
Get Shelly. Get Cody, Shelly.
Yeah, right.
Where'd he go, Shelly? Shelly. Go get him, Cody. Go get him, Cody.
Okay. Stop and film for now.
Cody, go get him. Go get him.